First guys, open any browsers to Google search box to type like that the model number of your laptop, and just first link which is officially ASUS website, and this is your laptop. After that click on support, then click on driver and tool. By default select Windows 11. So this is the touchpad driver, and click to download. It is completed, just single click to open. After that click on, you can see yes, select the languages. If you want to change, then click to OK, then next, I agree, then next, select the install. If you want to extract, so you can do that, but install, then next, next, and install. So it is completed. So after install any driver, so restart required for your system, then finish it.